the medical superhighway is coming, and Dr. Patrick Soon-Shiong is the visionary who is bringing it to life. His brilliance, as exemplified by his business ventures, is helping to change the landscape of the healthcare profession. Today, we are proud to recognize this captain of industry as the Los Angeles Business Journal's 2010 Business Person of the Year. Dr. Soon-Shiong was born and raised in South Africa. He grew up in the throes of apartheid and witnessed the injustices of segregation and racism firsthand. Dr. Soon-Shiong finished high school at age 16 and became a doctor at 23. When he began work in South Africa, he received only half of the salary of his white colleagues. Dr. Soon-Shiong recognized that he needed a different environment to achieve his dreams. He eventually emigrated to Canada, where he became a Fellow of the American College of Surgeons and the Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons of Canada. He then moved to the U.S. and joined the medical school faculty at UCLA as an assistant professor at age 31. Over the next couple of decades, Dr. Soon-Shiong performed the world's first encapsulated islet transplant in a diabetic patient, co-invented over 50 issued U.S. patents, published more than 100 scientific papers, and founded 2 publicly traded pharmaceutical companies. In 1996, he transformed an undistinguished maker of insulin, pain medications, and other generic drugs into a powerhouse called APP Pharmaceuticals. In 2008, he sold APP to a German drug company for $3.7 billion, a sale that catapulted him into the #1 spot on the Business Journal's 2009 ranking of wealthiest Angelenos. For Dr. Soon-Shiong, APP was a means to a larger end, bringing to market Abraxane, the first cancer drug based on nanoparticles. And today, the pioneering drug is sold in 35 countries and is credited with curing breast cancer in thousands of patients. Dr. Soon-Shiong spun off a company called Abraxis Health. Its mission? To create even more cutting-edge therapies based on a person's unique genetic code. But his relentless work ethic doesn't stop with his own companies. Currently, he is the founder of the National Coalition for Health Integration, chairman of the Chan Soon-Shiong Family Foundation, and executive director of the UCLA Wireless Health Institute. In over 20 years of being an influential member of our community, Dr. Soon-Shiong has seen deprivation and sadness in our city that remind him of South Africa. Determined to make a difference, his efforts have focused on healthcare reform, on patient-centered care, on sustainable improvements in health, and on viable methods for scientific discoveries to reach patients more quickly. He understands that breakthroughs and remarkable achievements occur when different disciplines collaborate with each other. Dr. Soon-Shiong's vision for a medical information highway aims to foster these principles. Dr. Soon-Shiong's philanthropy has given extraordinary substance to his hopes for healthcare reform. He has donated $100 million to the Martin Luther King Hospital Project. He has donated $100 million to the development of the Community Hospital of the Future. And he has also given $35 million to St. John's Health Center. Dr. Soon-Shiong sets a new standard in achievement that not only inspires us, but that directly improves our lives. As a testament to his character and sense of purpose, Dr. Soon-Shiong is a man of amazing resources who has the goodwill to advance the humanity and health of his community. He is a hero who embodies the highest levels of business and community leadership. And this is why he is the Los Angeles Business Journal's 2010 Business Person of the Year.